guys, happy Monday. If it's Monday when you're watching this video, I really want to do this video for different reasons. I want to show you guys a full box reveal for the base box, so we already have that information, but I also want to guys let you know about the choice date, which that is today, at least for early access. And I sometimes get comments on my different social media how you guys have missed that choice benefit that we have. So that's the reason why I'm doing this video, giving you a heads up that that's happening today. We don't know what the items are, so it's exciting to know that we have early access for some of us to make our choice. But that way we'll know exactly what's coming. So I'm also going to be doing a video as I select my choice. That way you'll see exactly how I did it, because that's another question that sometimes I get, because you guys sometimes are waiting for the email. But in addition, you guys will get to see what those choice items are. And of course, the add-on store opens today. So I know a lot of information just off the bat, just starting on the video, but I really want to tell you why I'm really doing this video. So let's go ahead and start with all the full box reveal for the base box for the month of June. As you know, we're going to be getting one of these palettes. We have the Touch and Soul Fill Up Orange. We also have two different palettes from Share Planet. That's a new brand introduced to Boxycharm, and one is a Tiger collection, the other one is a Polar Bear collection. Very pretty. But that's not the only thing. There's more palettes coming. Ones we heard, and they're all from Sueva. So it looks like a very big range variation that we could expect for the month of June. So we have the first palette, we have Sueva, and this one is Naturally Yours. This is an eyeshadow palette. Right next to it, we have Spice of Life, which is the more burgundy tones. They're both very pretty, very different. They have more of a natural or a more of a warm tones, but these are different looks you could guys create for everyday wear. Then we have Premier. This is from Sueva as well. This is a Premier eyeshadow palette. So, and then right next to it, we have the Sueva Heritage eyeshadow palette. I believe that's the Heritage. Very pretty, they're all very different. So let's see which one we are going to be getting. So this one is a different type of palette. This is also from Sueva, but this is a Nude Spectrum blush palette. So this is for the blush. It's a different type of palette, and this value for this one is $22. I believe there's going to be different shades or variation if you do get this one. So as you see, these are all the first sneak peek, many variations, and they do range in price from $32 from the Touch and Soul to the Sueva, $28. The Share Planet is about $48. So many different variations, and I hope we all receive a palette in our boxes. That's what it looks like so far. Let's talk about sneak peek number two. Sneak peek number two, this one you already know what you're going to be getting if you was able to make your selection during that choice period. So for choice sneak peek number two, these were choice items, and we had between the Tula Skincare, this is the Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. This one retails for $28, but you also had an option to select the Lily Lashes, and but this one, the Lily Lashes, is actually the mascara that is also being that was one of the choice items, and this is a Triple X mascara. So these are one of those we had, I believe, 5 items to choose from. We also had this powder highlighter. I already have 2. I received 2 already so far. That's how long I've been with Boxycharm. This is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. There's going to be supposedly 12 shades, and I have 2. So let's see if I'm going to be getting another one, but I'm not, because I did selected something else. That was a good thing about that. And the other 2 products that we had, we were able to choose from is from Benefit Cosmetics. This is a Professional Hydrate Primer. They had both as an option. They had the original one, and then they had the Hydrate one. So, and as you know, this one retails alone $32. So I was glad that even though we did receive this in a previous box, if you needed to stock up on it, since this is very pricey, I'm glad that it was a choice item. If this was a product that I use a lot, I think I would have chosen that one more, because it's something that I already needed, and it's something that I use in my makeup routine. So now let's go ahead and move on to sneak peek number 3. Sneak peek number 3, I'm very excited about, because both of the, even though it's a variation, both items are very, very good. So I really don't mind which one I will get. So the first one is Smashbox. This is a photo finish setting spray, and this is the weightless setting spray. It does say that it's going to hold makeup up to 16 hours, so it does look like a great product. It has many great reviews. And the other product that is also mentioned for us to receive in our boxes as a variation for the third sneak peek is Pearlie's. This is the Perfect Glow BB cream. This one has SPF 30, and I really like them. Sometimes I do want to wear much lighter makeup, more natural feel, and I also read many great reviews about this product, about this brand. And as you see, it also has SPF 30, and it says it's going to give you that natural looking coverage. So yeah, I hope I do get this product. It was one of those questions that they had. I went back to the beauty quiz on boxycharm.com once I was logged in, and it had this as one of those new questions if you want a BB cream, and I did selected that, so hopefully I do get this on my box. But as you see, guys, this is third sneak peek. I'm gonna show you new products that have been introduced. That's why we're able to see the full box reveal. We're not sure if this is going to be the only two variations for the third sneak peek. Hopefully it is, but just keep your eyes open, because sometimes we just get to see that there's more variations or more products added to one variation. So here you guys see something that I did posted on my Instagram account, these different sneak peeks. So now let's move on to sneak peek number 4. We also received, or some people receive, an email that there's going to be 3 different variations. And as you know, in BoxyLuxe, we're going to be getting Kylie Skin. It looks like for the base box, it's also going to be part, so nobody's going to be really missing out on this product. This is from Kylie Skin Foaming Face Wash. And this is going to give you a fresh and brighter complexion with this luxurious, ultra nourishing foaming face wash. And the value of this face wash is $24. I am a little confused because on that email, it was showing 3 different products as a variation, and it also included the Tula skincare, the Glow and Get It cooling and brightening eye balm. As you know, that was also shown on sneak peek number 2 because it was a choice item. So I'm not sure if this is going to be a product that maybe everybody's going to get if you didn't select it as sneak peek number 2. I am not sure. I'm just going based on what that email showed, that this was either you're going to be getting the Kylie Skin or the Tula skincare, the eye balm. And this one retails for $28. So yeah, and I think, I don't know, I have 2 different choices, so I don't know if I selected, yeah, I selected in one of my boxes this product, so hopefully we don't get it on both. As you see here, then if you selected the Tula, probably on this one you might get either the Kylie Skin or the next product that I'm going to show you, which I'm also excited about. And this is from First Aid Beauty. This is the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub, but I love that it's not just it's just a body scrub, but it has 10% AHA, and I really love AHA. So this is going to eliminate bumps and improve your skin texture with this KP Bump Eraser that delivers the benefits of a chemical peel and microdermabrasion at once. And as you see, this one retails for $18 because this is a smaller size. I believe, I don't know, this is the 4 ounce. So the ones that we see a previous picture for the premium box, that one is a bigger size, this one is a smaller size. That's what the value is, 18. But guys, this is the 4 sneak peek. It looks like everybody's going to be getting either the First Aid Beauty, the Tula skincare, or the Kylie Skin. So this is what we have so far for up to 4 sneak peeks, is what I have shared in my Instagram account. But there's some new products of a new picture that we were able to see, and in there I'm able to share with you guys some products that are new. So the first one, I'm not sure how this one is going to fit on which sneak peek, or maybe this is sneak peek number 5. I'm not sure how this one is going to fit, but this is from Laura Geller. This is the multitasking eye, lip, cheek palette, and this is going to be in a formula that is cream to powder, and it's a trio. So They have cream to powder, and as you can see in the picture, the really light one, you can see that it's more like a cream texture. So here's another picture that we did receive, and that's what we were able to see that product from Laura Geller there. And it does look like it comes with the mirrors. It's very pretty. Most of these items already mentioned, as you know, for the base box. But now let's move on with other products that we were able to see in a picture, which I'm going to share with you guys pretty soon at the end of this video. And in there we have a product that at first I was like trying to figure out which product was. But guys, this is from Pop Sugar. So you can find this in the Ulta website, and this is Beauty by Pop Sugar. This one is called Sweet Stick Satin Matte Lip Color. There's a range of shades. This one, they only sell it online, and the regular price is $20, but I did see in the Ulta website that it's on special for $5. So if you look at one of the pictures that I'm just going to show you, this is a product shown there. Another product shown is the Lashaholics lashes, and this one, it says yes, they are real. So this is which we have received Lashaholics before. It looks more like a gold tone. This one has that rose gold or pink glitter there, very pretty. So guys, you will see this also in the picture from Lashaholics. So there is something else in the picture. I cannot make the brand, but know at least that that product is also going to be coming to the box. It could be a variation as well. And they look like lip liners. Is showing 3 different shades there. And this completes everything that I share. It completes what we could expect from the base box for the month of June. Many great variations, many great products. I feel like some of these products we're expecting also in Boxylux, and just to get it on the base box looks like a pretty good box. So yeah, you will see near one of the palettes, next to the Lily Lashes, you will see the lip liners there. There's 3 different ones there. Yeah, I can't make what brand it is, but at least you know there's also lip liners expected for the base box. So guys, I'm gonna give you now that I concluded and ended all the full box review for the base box. I'm gonna remind you guys, today is choice day, and that is for the base box for the month of July. That's for the July box. And also know that that is early access. So if you are subscribed to Boxylux or the premium box, you're gonna have early access today. I am not sure what time that's going to open, but if you follow me on Instagram, once that's available, I always, guys, let you know right away that is open. Also, add-on is opening today for early access. But if you subscribe just to the base box alone, then that is going to open tomorrow, Tuesday, June 9th. Also, if you subscribe to the premium box, you're going to have a chance to make your selection on this Thursday, June 11 for the July box. So guys, I hope you're having a wonderful early week, and thank you so much for watching this video, and until the next video, bye.